بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
محمد نبينا بنور هدينا من مكة حبيبي نور سطاع المدينة من صلى صلاته تحلى بصفاته.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Hi, my dear 7th standard students. I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty. Today, we are going to begin our third unit for computer science, that is number system. Already, I have told several times in our class that number system is the only technique in which we can represent numbers in the computer. In this session, we'll be learning about what are the different number systems that are being used by the computer and how to convert decimal number to binary number. Then we will learn about converting decimal number to octal number. And finally, we will learn about converting decimal number to hexadecimal number. So let's get into the lesson, my children. We already know that computer can understand only the language of machine codes. Okay va? So machine codes la vandu usually what they use அப்படினா they use binary system. That is binary numbers தான் machine codes la use பண்ணுவாங்க. That is 0 and 1. And these machine codes are the only language that the computer understand. ஓகேவா, வாட் எவர் ஹை லெவல் லாங்குவேஜ் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுறோமோ அது என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணாலும் ஃபைனலி இட் ஹேஸ் டு கெட் ட்ரான்ஸ்லேட்டட் இன்டு machine codes. Then only the computer will understand. So to know about all these things, first we have to understand what is the number system, what are the different number systems that are being used by the computer system. Okay va? So we will see one by one what are the different kinds of number system. You can see in the picture, number system is classified into 4 types. It is binary system, decimal system, octal system and hexadecimal system. We will know what are these different types of system one by one. So first one is binary number system. A binary number system has only 2 digits, that are 0 and 1. So every number represents with only 0 and 1 in this system. So in this we can tell 0 is regarded as off and 1 is regarded as on. Adhe madri 0 we can also represent it as false and 1 we can represent it as true. Not only that, 0 means yes and 1 means no. So likewise, the computer will receive instructions from the number system. So the base value of binary number is 2. Next, we are going to see about what is called a decimal number system. So decimal number system, it has 10 digits. The digits will start from 0 to 9. So every number will be represented as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. You can see in the picture. And so the base value of decimal number system is 10. Now let's see what is an octal number system. Octal number system has only 8 digits and the digits begin from 0 to 7. இதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா the number is represented with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So எத்தனை number இருக்கு? We have 8 numbers. You have to count how many numbers are there. So there are 8 numbers and hence the base of octal number system is 8. And the final one is hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system has 16 alphanumeric values. So note this point. இதில் என்ன சொல்கிறாங்கன்னா alphanumeric values. So it will have both the alphabets and the numbers. இதில் ரெண்டுமே இருக்கும், alphabetsம் இருக்கும், numbersம் இருக்கும். So it will have numbers from 0 to 9 as in decimal number system. And not only that, it will also have alphabets from A to F. So what are the values of hexadecimal number system? So here the values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 as decimal number system. Decimal number system la எப்படி வந்து 10 values இருக்கும், 10 digits இருக்கும். அதே மாதிரி இங்கேயும் வந்து hexadecimal number systemல 10 numbers இருக்கும். Not only that, it will also have alphabets from A to F, that is A, B, C, D, E and F. So here, so 9 வரைக்கும் numbers இருக்கு. After 9 you have alphabets. Each alphabet will represent one number, that is A is 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13, E is 14 and F is 15. So now you have to check how many numbers and alphabets are there. So together we have 16 values. So the base value of hexadecimal number system is 16. Okay va? So full நீங்க count பண்ணி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா there will be 16 alphanumeric values. So hence the base value of hexadecimal number system is 16. So these are the points about different types of number system. Now we are going to see how do we convert decimal number to a binary number. ஒரு decimal number system வந்து நம்ம எப்படி binary number system convert பண்ண போறோம் அதை பற்றி தான் now we are going to see. To convert decimal number to binary number, first what we have to do is we have to repeatedly divide the number by base 2. Okay va? Binary oda base என்னன்னா 2. ஒரு decimal number oda base வந்து 10. So இந்த decimal number எந்த value இருந்தாலும் அதை வந்து 2 ஆல we will keep on dividing and we will write the quotient at the bottom. Okay va? Bottomல we will write the quotient and right side la we will write the remainder until we get the answer 0. 0 value வர வரைக்கும் வந்து ரிமைண்டர்ல நாம வந்து we have to do the division. Okay va? So for the result you have to see from bottom to top and result வந்து bottomல இருந்து topல bottomல இருந்து values வந்து நீங்க consider பண்ணணும். Okay va? So now we will see some examples for it. Here you can see a number 13. This number 13 is in decimal number. You have to convert it into binary. Okay va? So in the 13 வந்து என்ன பண்ணிருக்காங்கன்னா they have divided it by 2. So 2 ஆல divide பண்ணி அதில் வர ரிமைண்டரை வந்து அப்படியே ரைட் சைடில் எழுதிட்டே போவாங்க. ஓகேவா? until we get the answer 0 or 1. அது வர வரைக்கும் அப்படியே பண்ணிகிட்டே போகும்போது the answer is now 1101. You have to see this answer from bottom to top. Okay va? Bottom la irundhu top varaikum you have to see the answer. So the answer is 1101. Now so because we have converted this decimal number to binary number, the base value will change into 2. So 1101 and the base value is 2. பக்கத்துலயே வந்து அதோட base value வந்து you have to write. Next we will see how to convert decimal number to octal number. Okay va? Decimal number வந்து இப்போ octal number எப்படி நம்ம convert பண்ணுவோம் நம்ம இப்போ பார்க்க போறோம். So for that the first thing you have to do is octal number ஓட base value வந்து 8. So you have to repeatedly divide the value by 8. Okay va? Value வந்து 8 ஆல divide பண்ணுவீங்க and write the quotient at the bottom and remainder at right. Okay va? Remainder வந்து இப்போ இதுக்கு முன்னாடி பார்த்த example sumல எப்படி பண்ணோமோ அதே மாதிரி தான் same methodல we will do until we get the answer 0 at the bottom. கீழே வந்து bottomல 0 answer வர்ற வரைக்கும் we will repeat the same thing. And after that what we will do is we will read the result from bottom to top as I told earlier. So bottom la irundhu top varaikum da nama result paakano. We will see one example for converting decimal to octal. Okay va. So here is an example. Here the value is given as 123. Okay va, 123 அப்படின்னு ஒரு வேல்யூ கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இந்த வேல்யூ வந்து 8 ஆல் டிவைட் பண்ணி and we have to write the remainder at the right side. அதில் என்ன ரிமைண்டராக இருக்கோ அது எல்லாமே ரைட் சைடில் எழுதிட்டு குவாஷன்ட்டை வந்து we have to write at the bottom. Similarly 0 வர வரைக்கும் அப்படியே நம்ம டிவைட் பண்ணிகிட்டே போவோம். So now the answer is 173. From the bottom to the top நம்ம பார்க்கும்போது the answer is 173. இதுக்கு இப்போ base value என்ன வரும்னா the base value will be 8 because we have converted this decimal number to octal number. So the base value will be changed to 8. In our next class we will be seeing the conversion of decimal number to hexadecimal number. Okay va, next class la nama adha patti paapom. I hope you all understood about today's topic. Inshallah we will meet in our next class. Till then, take care of yourself students. Jazakallahu khairan kaseera. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.